Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You're going to act now, gather backup codes or a recovery key and the original phone or a second device. Once done, sign into the account provider on a browser where you still have access or can receive verification. Make sure your phone's date/time are set to automatic and that the Authenticator app is updated. Those two small things often break codes. If you don't have backups, prepare to contact each service's account recovery procedure while you keep this device ready for setup. Next, restore your data. If you previously enabled cloud backup in Authenticator, choose Restore and sign into the same account. That will pull your accounts back. If you must reconfigure manually, open each service's security settings, choose to set up two-factor authentication, then scan the displayed QR or enter the secret key into Authenticator. Verify each newly added code by using it to sign in. This confirms time sync and prevents lockouts. Keep backup codes safe immediately after setup. Finish by saving backup codes and enabling at least one alternate recovery method like SMS or a secondary Authenticator app. Once done, test several sign-ins to confirm stability. If a code fails, first confirm your phone's time is set to automatic, then update the app and retry. Time mismatch causes most errors. If you still cannot access an account, use the service's recovery flow and document ticket numbers. Keep this device charged and backed up to prevent future issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.